Hello everyone, in this video I will providing the solution of fourth question of my end semester exam. So the fourth question is, what is the k nearest neighbor KNN algorithm and how does it work in the context of classifying point based on distance? How does the choice of the parameter k affect the model's performance? So here is the solution. So first answer the let's see the answer of the what is the k nearest algorithm? Like what is KNN? So the KNN is a supervised machine learning algorithm used for classification and regression tasks. It is a lazy learning algorithm, meaning it does not build an explicit model during training. Instead, it make predictions based on the similarities between the data points calculated using a distance metric like Euclidean distance. So now see how does KNN work in classification points. So first it works as a training phase and second it works in a prediction phase. So in training phase KNN does not involve an explicit training process. Instead it stores the entire training data set for use during the prediction. So in prediction phases for a given test point, it calculate distances like measure distance from the test point to the all point in the training data set using a chosen distance metric, commonly Euclidean distance. Second, identify nearest neighbors. Select the k closest data. Here it should be k, not kkk. So the select the k closest data points neighbors to the test points. Third, vote for class. Assign the class to the test point based on the majority vote among the k nearest neighbors. In case of ties, other strategies, example distance, weight, voting, may be used. So let's see how does the choice of K affect model performance. Ignore the 3KK, it should be only 1K. So the parameter K, number of neighbor, plays a critical role in the performance of the KNN model. First, small k, example k is equals to 1K or 1K is equals to 1. So advantages of this are highly sensitive to local patterns, capture fine-grained relationship in the data. Disadvantages are can lead to overfitting as the model becomes sensitive to noise or outliers. Now, if the k is large, example k is close to the data set size, then what happened? So there are various disadvantages and advantages of the large k. The advantages are it reduces the effect of noise and smoothens predictions, and the disadvantages are it may lead to underfitting as it oversimplifies decision boundaries and may ignore important local patterns. So if we take optimal k, then what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of it? But understand what is optical k. Typically k is chosen via cross validation. A balanced key ensured that the model generalizes well and is neither too expensive nor too sensitive to noise or not overly smooth. Now, what is trade-offs with k? Small k, if we choose small k, then it is highly variance. High variance is provide high variance and low bias, sensitive to individual data points. And if we take large k, it low variance and provide high bias, which is smooth decision boundaries. Thank you.